Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen eggs. First, select 6 to 8 large, fresh eggs. Next, prepare an ice bath by filling a medium bowl with ice and cold water. This step is crucial for stopping the cooking process quickly. Finally, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, ensuring there's enough water to fully submerge your eggs. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful cooking experience. Now, let's cook those eggs to perfection. Carefully lower your 6 to 8 eggs into the vigorously boiling water using a slotted spoon. Set a timer for precisely 6 to 7 minutes for a beautifully jammy, soft-boiled yolk. For a slightly firmer yolk, you might extend the time by 30 seconds. Once the timer goes off, swiftly transfer the eggs from the hot water directly into the prepared ice bath. After about 5 minutes in the ice bath, the eggs are ready for peeling. Gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface, then peel under cold running water to prevent sticking and tearing. Next, prepare your marinade. In a container, mix 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of mirin, and 1/2 cup of water. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar until it fully dissolves. Place your perfectly peeled eggs into the marinade, ensuring they are fully submerged. You can use a small plate or paper towel to keep them down. Allow the eggs to marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. For the deepest, most intense flavor, let them marinate overnight, up to 24 hours. When ready, slice each egg in half and add these delicious ramen eggs to your favorite bowl of noodles. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.